Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add colors to drop-down list in Excel. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a drop-down list here. So we're going to go ahead and just basically look at the data here, and then this one, data validation. So we're going to choose list, and then for the source we're going to go ahead and choose let's say for example pink, and okay, let's say blue. All right, hit OK, and you can see that now we have this one, so we can choose for example, we're gonna choose a blue for the guys, and we're gonna choose a pink for the ladies. All right, now that is done, we're gonna highlight everything here, and we're gonna click home, and then conditional formatting, highlight cell rules equal to, and let's say for example if it's a blue, all right, we're going to change this one. There are different options here that are already available. It's definitely up to you if you use it. If not, click custom format. You can change the font color, font style, and basically everything. So let's say for the font color I'm going to use this one here, and then for the fill I'm going to use this blue here. Hit OK, and you can do the same thing for the pink. So cell rules equal to, and we're going to use pink, and then we're going to go ahead and oops, custom format, and then we're going to choose for the fill, it's going to be pink. For the color, it is going to be let's say black. All right, and we can make it bold. All right, so yeah, just something like that. So that's how you're going to add colors to drop down list in Excel.